KFC still, the Matty Bowl. And it's funny because I worked with a lady named Matty, and I thought of her as soon as I saw this. So, this is chicken nuggets, fries, gravy, and cheese curds. Kind of like poutine, I guess. Let's see. Here we go. Going to get cheese curd, going to get a nugget, I'm going to get a fry. All of it with gravy. Okay, I have to get the fry separate. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah, I'm here for this. I don't know that I had their little chicken nuggets here. I like it though. So yeah, I would buy this again. It was $5.99, I believe. Fair amount of food for $5.99. I wish I had some hot sauce though. But that's most meals where I don't have hot sauce. I wish I had hot sauce. This goes well together. So I hope it sticks around because, again, I like this. $5.99 seems to be a good price point. Like, I'm probably going to walk away from this full, but not like crazy full. And everything goes well together. I feel like it does need something a little different. I don't know what. But, pretty solid. But yeah, guys, take it easy, stay safe. I hope you have a better one.